What's up YouTube, it's Griff, back at it again with my biggest video ever. Today we have a special guest. If you remember, or you've been an OG subscriber, you may remember Brad.
I'm Brad.
That's Brad. If you don't remember Brad, here are some of Brad's memorable moments.
Powder.
Right.
So, what we're doing today is I ordered 1,000 feet of firework fuse. 1,000 feet. I don't know why I did it, but I did it. So now, we're gonna light a firework from 1,000 feet away. So now let's go to the nearest park and unroll this, shall we? You ready, Brad?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, so we're all the way out here in East Bum, and we have our firework and the 1,000 feet of firework fuse all down here. Brad's behind the camera. Brad, you want to show yourself? There's Brad. We're just gonna get right to it and unravel all this. You ready, Brad?
Yeah.
We're gonna take turns too. We do have connects here, so we're gonna connect the fuses. I hope it works.
I forgot to brush my teeth this morning.
Did you?
I don't know.
No. 2 hours later.
Finally got the knife.
I remember I had my.
Got it. Alright, here's one. 2, 3, finally. Alright, so the fireworks here. We're gonna leave that, yeah, here while we do the rest of it. Here. I just really hope this doesn't get tangled. That's the only thing. I started it. It's gonna be a long time. We got 3 of these going. Yeah, it's gonna be a long way. Progress. Yeah, how bad would it suck if we got caught, right? And then finally, like, sorry, you have to ravel this all up. All right, so we're at the end of this one. Bring on the next bundle. Yo, we forgot the green one. All right, should we grab it now before we get?
No, we'll grab it later.
You sure? We don't want to grab it now, because when we get all the way over there and we're still going.
You guys see that? That's insane. We're not even done. We're not even close to done.
The people are definitely probably thinking we're gonna light off a bomb or something.
Still got another one of these, and yeah, and the sun's about to go down too. What's he doing? What's Brad doing over there? You coming, Brad? Hey, Brad? You coming? My God, this is so long.
That's what she said.
Here it comes.
We'll just stay on this walkway. The only thing is we shouldn't head towards the park, right? We should probably head towards like that way.
Yeah.
And we're gonna run into water, snow, what else?
Nice. Keep it going.
Come on, this is pretty epic.
Yeah, I'm freezing my ass off.
Are you cold?
Yeah.
Wanna bring the car around? Done with this one.
All right, good.
There's kids over there, dude. This is not good. Onward. This is the one I'm worried about, though. Ah. Did he? What are you doing?
What's that? You just stepped in that thing.
Oh no!
Is there like a gate? Is there like a keeper of the park or something?
No. You think some old guy just lives here and takes care of the park?
Could you not? Walk into this thing like it's a freaking human. Yo, this one's not gonna stay. Good work. That's not gonna work. That's what busted it.
Keep it going.
It's not gonna work. Yeah. Come on. Got it. Yeah. So, that is a question. We're about to be good. Whew, that's far away. Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys a perspective of how far away this actually is from the firework, from the eyes up above. So the firework is actually right over here, and we're all the way over here. So 1,000 feet is actually pretty far.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, oh my God, it's gonna take 10 years.
It's gonna take. Yeah, we still got all that.
I mean, like, hopefully the yellow will be quicker.
I'm hoping. If it's like this, yeah, I'm gonna end the video. I'm gonna end the video.
Alright, so I'm actually gonna just
this green one's gonna take way too long, and we still have a whole nother 100 feet to go, and we haven't even gotten past 5. So I'm gonna cut to where we go to the yellow wire. We're gonna watch this green one for about another 20 minutes. So yeah, we'll see you guys at the yellow wire. This one's not gonna take as long. Yo, look at this thing. Yo, this is dangerous. Do you have any water?
Water?
Yeah.
It's fucking grass.
I know, but it's dead grass. Brad's having a yellow Christmas over there. What you doing, Brad? First 40 down the drain. Let's see, hopefully it lights this one. It's gonna have a problem, right? Yeah, now we're talking. Oh my god! What's this one doing? Yo, this one's mean. Oh my god! This one means business. What the? Get away from the grass! Fireworks Palooza, dude.
Oh my god.
The lawn's on fire. Oh, this is unsafe. This is unsafe. This is getting out of hand. We're not even close to done. Yo, tame the beast, Brad. Tame the beast. Why does it roll? Get away from the grass. Oh,
Oh god.
oh my god. No. Oh, it's on my foot. Damn it. Really? Really? Look at the smoke in the marsh. Oh my god.
Get it straight out.
Move back. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button if you did enjoy this video. We are getting close to the end. I might catch on fire, so I want to say that before that happens.
That's gonna be very bad.
Yeah, probably.
Should probably like put it between there or something.
Wait, here?
Yeah.
Not in the dark. I'm nervous.
Do it.
Oh, do it for the video.
Wait, it's going the wrong way, isn't it?
Subscribe. Griffin Pierson. Boom. Look at that. I'm gonna hit the drone too. Hey Brad, check this out.
Oh, oh my god.
Hey Brad, what's up?
Griff.
Oh my god, that's amazing. 140 bucks down the drain. All right guys, so I actually just got home. It took about an hour and a half to light the whole entire fuse. Green was the worst. Yellow was pretty fast, as you saw. But if you guys are wondering where Brad went, Brad had to go home. His mom called him. He was late for dinner. So Brad, thanks for helping out again, man. I really appreciate it. But guys, if you did enjoy this huge video that I hyped up, which I actually really enjoyed shooting, and I really hope you guys liked it as well, make sure to throw a huge thumbs up on this video, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe for more. So guys, thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.